Beautiful and spacious one-story home at Gables by the Sea with 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, pool, remodeled kitchen with new appliances, laminated wood floors in all bedrooms, 2-car garages. Located in a prime residential area in a highly prestigious neighborhood, adjacent to the Waterway Canal. It is a gated community in close proximity to the top-rated private and public schools in Dade County. The location offers a degree of seclusion and privacy as it forms a part of the cul-de-sac. If you want to know more about this luxury property, contact Miriam Granado and Sergio Lemmy at 786-529-5405 or email them at sales@realtymiamiteam.com.